Some by MI Beta-Panthenol Repair Cream, 1.69 ounces, 50 milliliters, Hydrating Face Moisturizer with Panthenol and Redness Relief, Skin Barrier Repair and Soothing Face Cream with Beta-Sitosterol, Korean Skin Care. Some by MI. Some by MI is a compound word of something and by a miracle. Our brand mission is to make products that stick to the essentials of cosmetics, with safe and clean ingredients with proven efficacy. Through our skincare products, we hope to bring some positive changes and miracles to your skin. It has a high content of D-panthenol with nanopanthenol that has a 24 times stronger skin damage restoration effect than general panthenol ingredients. This facial cream smoothly and densely melts without a sticky finish, forming a thin moisture barrier over the skin to keep it moisturized for 100 hours and enhance the skin barrier. Beta-Panthenol is a highly absorbent ingredient that can effectively moisturize dry skin. Shea butter is a plant-based ingredient with excellent repairing properties that can alleviate dryness and deliver rich nutrients to the skin. Finally, Carthamus tinctorius seed oil is a plant-based source of omega that can improve skin texture, provide excellent absorption. It includes phytosterol, the main ingredient in the burn treatment to effectively improve the skin barrier. Beta-Panthenol Repair line improves hypersensitive skin by maintaining the natural healthy condition of the skin through daily skincare routines. We make products with proven efficacy only by undergoing strict testing from the planning and developing stages to product launch, in collaboration with various dermatology experts. Ready to transform stressed skin into a calm, bouncy glow? Beta-Panthenol Repair Cream isn't just a product, it's your skin's fresh start. Like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you never miss more video.